My name is Jessica. Before I met Dr. Purcell, I was coming out of a surgery. I had my breast implants removed, and I was feeling very run down, exhausted, tired, not only from the surgery, but just from the years and months leading up to the time that I was feeling very toxic and my body wasn't working correctly. I was very brain fog, stomach aches, and just a lot of internal health issues. I didn't really know what was going on. My coloring was kind of gray. Nothing in my system was working the way it should be working. I knew that I needed to seek probably a naturopath sort of doctor. And I actually, of all places, I was on Pinterest and I saw an article written by Dr. Purcell. She talked about a lot of women in their early 40s start to have problems like I did, especially with the implants. I thought it looked like she specialized in helping women in my situation. About 2 weeks after my surgery, I contacted Dr. Purcell and I started right away pretty much on a detox program. She was very lovely. She acknowledged all the things that I was feeling, all the symptoms. She ran all the right tests. I knew I had mono when I was a child, and I had Epstein-Barr in my liver, and my numbers were extremely elevated. I worked with her with a protocol that eliminated a lot of the foods that were triggering it, and it brought vitality back to my life. My inflammation dropped. My coloring got from like a gray, even red tint most days to just a normal kind of color. And everything just started kind of falling into place. It wasn't overnight. The detox was difficult at times just because my body was upset. I was a caffeine freak before I met Dr. Purcell, and I've been caffeine free now for almost 3 months. So it's been really, really good. My health now, after completing my 3-month program with Dr. Purcell, is just much more vibrant. I'm sleeping better. My system's working better. I feel like I'm able to exercise again. I had some exercise intolerance issues before I met her, and it was all related to my liver and its functions. Now I'm able to work out, not quite where I was before, but it's getting better. It just takes time. But yeah, in the end, everything really was worth it. I guess with age, you get wiser, right? And my whole goal with removing my implants and living a toxic free life, I didn't want prescriptions. I didn't want medications that were gonna, bind me to like, okay, if you don't take this, you're gonna feel like this. Everything with Dr. Purcell is very natural, and that's just the route that I choose to live my life now. So for anybody that be looking to not be on medication and not go down that route, this is probably the best path to take for sure. I don't know where I would be without Dr. Purcell's help, and I've continued a lot of the foods and shakes and different things that I found that really worked well for me with her program. So I'm very thankful for her and just all the things that I've learned from her.